Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then again 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So now 5 multiply 5, okay, is equal to 25. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay. PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay. So here is one parenthesis. So first we have to solve parenthesis, okay. So 6 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Multiply 5. Now 6. Now first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, okay. So here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So 1 multiply 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the correct answer is 1, okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.